Okay. Let's do this. Good time. Here's a story about someone that didn't appreciate what they had when they still had it. It goes like this. You go for the magician, go for the magician, try to warn you what was going on, but you just wouldn't listen. Go for the magician, go for the magician, while you got your niggly that's the way you want, you got suspicion. Go for the magician, go for the magician, while you lift your head and then you know it's just listen. Go for the magician, go for the magician. I went into the bedroom and you put the light on and it's suddenly gone and there's something was wrong with it. Suddenly you're done in the room, they said, why you staring on the legally right in the bed? I'm trying to do your place, you claim I'm in the room, I'm trying to be secure, exactly why you go for me to disappearing. I'm still trying to hear it, maybe the problem is think of what you make it, you're just to near it. And it takes somebody like me, and I'm looking for a further distance. So none of you ain't coping, man, so when you go reaction you need my assistance. Jump into the magician, jump into the magician, try to warn you what was going on, but you just wouldn't listen. Jump into the magician, jump into the magician, while you got your nigga, that's the reason why you got suspicion. Jump into the magician, jump into the magician, that's the reason why you find yourself in this position. Jump into the magician, jump into the magician. Tension on the carpet till it's starting to wear out, man. You stop and start tearing your hair out. To the point where you're going on what's going while you're hanging around the house with some pretty shit cause. You never left her listen, she was an icon of you. 5 pounds good enough to bring out conjurer. She ain't you like you wouldn't believe. I would have got other tricks might have up and sleeve. 6 4 from a man don't be that fit. She done it 3 times and 3 for a hat trick. Right then and then I should have gave him a clue. Was trying to get the best thing to do. I don't see why bother, because it goes in this end and right out the other. Maybe I took for granted everybody saying it. When I can tell me you're in, you might be training. I know you're wondering why he's vanishing, but I'm trying to understand exactly why she keeps on vanishing. I'm doing this for your own good. You go for the magician, go for the magician, try to warn you what was going on, but you just wouldn't listen. Go for the magician, go for the magician, while you got your nigga that's in the back of your mind, you got suspicion. Go for the magician, go for the magician, when you wake up in the morning and you're not in a position. Go for the magician, go for the magician. You're going through drawers to find out more. It goes like this. Ready? You went through Camden, you went through Camden, just forget a little about the established paranoia in your mind and you know it ain't stopping. Some of these cousins don't go that shopping, but I'm not seeing them out with a mouth for your room. You're going to the kitchen and you're tracing food. Now you're feeling hungry, now you're feeling famished. Back to your head, wondering why she's vanished. I did try to tell you. What the fuck was you thinking? Enough time for the message to that seat in. You go for the magician. Oh, get up, get up. She's trying to tell you what was going on, but you just wanna listen. Go for the magician, go for the magician, while you got your nigga, that's the back why you got suspicion. Go for the magician, go for the magician, go for the magician. There was a problem. Your bag was gone. Now you're gonna see it disappear. From a wave of a wand, you get rid of the magician.
Oh, stop it!
That's the reason why you find yourself in the magician. Go for the magician, go for the magician. It's what you need to listen to, I guess it's just fun. What more can I do? It's you that's in this position. I've had my worries and I've had my suspicions. And if there's any CD you need to buy, it's this one. Let me ask a question. Let me try to be inquisitive. How come you never in? Whenever I'm visiting, you always tell me she was busy, but then it dawns on you. Where the fuck is she? Why I don't need therapy?
Hey!
This is the only therapy in my life that I need. I don't need no group therapy. No hypnotherapy. No gassed out therapy. This is the only therapy I need. Music is my therapy. My music is my therapy. When I go home late, you know music music is my therapy. But you ain't listening to music apparently. So, music is my therapy. Music is my therapy. The way you jump down my throat and I don't think you scared me. Music is my therapy. Music is my therapy. I don't know pills. I don't need no antidepressants. I'll put my list and I'm not stopping my depression. One time I'll turn around and say it's unhealthy. How can you be so unhealthy when it all is really that helps me? Put a fucking time. Basically you keep bombarding me with these questions and so-called lies. Want me to lay down and start regressing? I'm just standing there like, who the hell are you really impressing? Have you really knew about the next look? Textbook. Go ahead and keep on turning the pages. You're just happy because I'm paying your fucking wages. I'm paying your wages. I ain't doing it no more. Why do I want to lay down on the couch? Want to know exactly what I'm good for? Music is my therapy. My music is my therapy. When it all home there, I know music is always there for me. Music is my therapy. Music is my therapy. Put down that pattern and I need to listen to this carefully. Turning down upon a pad. Not telling you exactly what you're writing. Do you want to keep me in the darkness? But I guess it's time for me to shed some fucking light then. Music is my therapy. My music is my therapy. When I go home later, I know music is all there for me. Music is my therapy. Music is my therapy. Put down that pattern and I need to listen to this carefully. I need this to go in your ear. Put the seeds of your helmet with care. You just want me to see a psychologist. Maybe I'll be a computer like a fucking common kid. For you, I got a fucking problem with psychologist. La 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 la. Keep on wasting my time. You're ain't the solution I got in my mind. Cause music is my therapy. My music is my therapy. When I go home late at night, you know that it's there for me. Music is my therapy. Music is my therapy.